Okay, we're gonna go to Arizona Unclaimed Funds. The link will take you directly to this page, and all you do is simply put in a first name, which is optional. So we'll put in John, and then we'll put in Doe, and we'll search the properties, and we'll see what comes up. You'd think nothing would come up, but there are actually. It's still working. It's going to give me some results in a few seconds. And there we go, John Doe. And you wouldn't think there's any amount available, but there are real John Doe. So undisclosed amount over here would indicate to me that it could be worth thousands and thousands of dollars. So if you're John Doe and you've ever lived on 7950 East Tacoma Drive South, or Suite 107 in Scottsdale, well, you could claim that. So then you would simply claim here, and you would go view claim properties, and then you would file a claim. You have to check and see, make sure who you're doing it. If you're the original owner, go ahead and file it. Then you fill everything out. Once you submit it, they will send you an email with a list of documentation to upload to the proper people so that they can process it. Now, normally things take about 90 days at the most, but if you want to know more about how to file on the Arizona claim, go to the tab that I just clicked, and it's Owners to file a claim. And then you simply just go here. You download all the forms you need. You can learn more how to file a claim, the documentation or evidence that you're going to need, property information. Then it'll give you a list of frequently asked questions, and it'll ask you, have you ever received a letter from an unclaimed property? So that's it for Arizona. Very simple, straight to the point. And I hope you enjoy it and get something back. And let me know if you did get a refund.